Well, this is McAulay Minute number 9. So anyone old enough or into the Beatles enough will certainly understand why number 9 made me think of the word revolution. It's a word we're seeing evidence all around us in nearly every sector and industry, from communications to education to politics to governance. At Life University, we say we're leading the vital health revolution because although there have been life-saving and life-changing developments in healthcare, we haven't seen an improvement in U.S. population health. In fact, we've seen just the opposite. So at LifeU, we're committed to revolutionizing the way people view health. Why? Because the way our current systems view health isn't making us healthier, it's making us sicker. From the LifeU perspective, living things are imbued with a vitality that strives to express itself as fully as possible. We think that's an empowering viewpoint that accurately reflects reality. At LifeU, we're leading a revolution that honors the contributions of modern healthcare and science research, while also honoring the wisdom of nature that recognizes the body is brilliant and self-organizing, and empowers people to be all that they can be, whatever their starting point. That's the power of life and the promise of Life University.